Go ra under ra, I say, Seta, Ashu on vibrations, every baka. May your mind, bakas, and souls be old. May your homage be sound. May your bakas be leaven of ground. When we keep to the breath, the orth, the moth, or the seon, the soul of Ra guides and keeps you all. Ayan ma, I say Ra, ela I say el say I. Christ or a chaplain, tata, amen Ra. I'm a truth awareness, true talk can be a part of the greatest transfer of Ma Elf, that's intelligence, samenology to Angodu. This is sound logic. And with all that being offered to you, being a fool is absolutely your choice. To raise Ray 1853. The sound code, the origin of motion, sound command is Ma Ah. Gematria is 8. This is the to Angodu sound logic decoding search engine update. We've opened the door to an opportunity to recognize and realize the cipher code of the number 5. So don't forget to go to jesus.com, sign up, get the iBucket to Omen, download the Mathorian Kagadora. Better click the link, go to amenrod.com, order the Mathorian Kagadora poster, have it delivered to your door. While you're there, check out the apparel, download the books, Wear What the Devil's Fear. I don't consent to draconian state, nor should you hashtag that in your post. Thought Spore, that spawns intelligence, then a fungi.org. Don't forget your etheric compass is what determines your level of mental health. If you're not orientated, if you're not tethered to Ba'am sound, then you have word, logic. You're remaining on the ground, no leaven. Just heaven, which is the dead log. All right, the number 5. We're checking out the imagery to help you visualize. Number 5 is a big spell to capture your ether. That's right. It's a big spell to convert the soul man, the baka, to human, the tin man, the hollow. We see this in the sheriff. They have that badge. We have canine units. You're focused on the dog. But really, the dog is just a device to capture and control the canine. Because the K is for Ka, that is attached to the Ba. And the 9 is the symbol for the ether. It's not a level of ether. It's the symbol for ether amongst the numbers. Why? Because it's a continuation from a full circle, which the circle represents source, which is the 0, because the parasites can't acknowledge it. The definition 5, felled soul vessel. The number 5 represents converting soul man to mankind. The head, the 2 arms, the 2 legs represents the limbs on the felled tree controlled by the pentagram spell in the cipher 5. The pentagram is used in law enforcement. The pentagon is used for government headquarters. The pronunciation, fa-va. The felled eye represents the inner senses that are severed from source of sound under the cipher code 5. The artificial construct classifies souls as shipping vessels. The work shift 9 to 5 is a ritual to convert the etheric soul man to human. In the occult, the ether is represented by 9. The Ka is the flesh of the Ba. I should slip in there, it's represented by 5. Okay, 5 is the number that is used to represent human, mankind. Okay, that's inside the pentagram. So whatever's inside the pentagram is controlled by man. Okay, the people holding it, the people sustaining everything that's required to keep it inside. Okay, just like I broke that ayahuasca code and took Ra outside of Crowley's pentagram. We're doing the same with the number 5. It's exposed. Now it can be evicted. The Amonalgo, F equals Feld, I equals Soul Man. The upright stroke is man under the dot, that is Ra. The VE equals blood vassal, vine of life. The Ta'angodu. By removing the F, we change the code to Ive. To say soul man in Ta'angodu is Baka. So to reverse this code, to just correct the code, negate the code, we remove the sound F that stands for Feld. Or remove the letter, the symbol F that stands for Feld. And then we're left with the I vassal, which is there's nothing wrong with that. So we'd say Ive. Instead of 5, we say Ive. But the truth is the I vassal is the I baka. Right? If an I vassal is not felled, then it's a baka. It's intact. The ba and the ka are together. So to correctly say what 5 is negating, to reverse that spelled, it is baka. Okay? So 5 becomes baka. You got that? So that's the decode for the number 5. If you don't know, now you know. Show your appreciation. Go to jesus.com, sign up, get the iBucket to Om, and that's your protection. Download the Mathorian Kagadora. That's your ascension. Okay? You got to get off the Gregorian calendar. Okay? The Loosh bucket. And get on the Kagodura. And get the ether, get the intelligence so your Ka can go do Ra. That's shine. Let's go.